Tengnoupal village the district headquarter Oinaba Hotnarakpa Tengnoupal district ki DC transfer tau Chief Minister KHEMCHAND bu Tengnoupal district ta LAKPA YAROI HAINA KUKI village volunteeristan join KOUBA AMANA THAMLAKLIBA WAFAM HANDOK HAIBA demand sing TALLADUNA Tengnoupal district ki District ta KHUNDABA NAGA PHURUPKI tribe mapan ge APUNBA body ema OIRIBA District Development Coordinating Committee na tha asigi kundagi IMPHAL MOREH LAMBIDA MATAM KAKTABA ban LAOTHOKHRE hiram asiga mari lainana Nungawro village ta pangthokpa pawgi mifam amada committee asigi secretary MOREH mokungana kumja lising ani ga tara trukta Tengnoupal district same kiba matamda district asigi headquarter asi kadaida oigeni haiba lapthokide district asigi hojik leidiba DC asina district asida majority oina leidiba naga tribe singda kari Amata Kanghal Lamba Taudana, KUKI Singa Tanaraga, Tengnoupal village the district headquarter Oinaba Hotnarakpa si Kudak Hando, Madugi Mahut, Kwaideki Mapam Jaba Amadi, Saningba infrastructure Sabagi Lam Leiba, Kebung village Asida Oine Sembiu, Loinana, Naga Singi Apamba Amata Hanglamdana, KUKI Singi Yaka Yenglaga Tabak Tauba DC, si Kudak transfer Taugadabani Hirakli, Amadom da KUKI village volunteeristan John KOUBA AMANA, Chief Minister Yumnam KHEMCHAND Tengnoupal district ta LAKPA YAROI HAIBA WAFAM asi handok Tengnoupal district asi naga singi lamni haibasi KUKI singna khangna thabak tawgadabani makha tana district asi bu KUKI leni haina hairaklabadi naga furup singna yengduna leiroi hairakle
District headquarter Tengnoupal the sabasi sagani haina government thorang tawribisi ekoi DDC District Development Coordination mai kai digimasi se ekoi objection tawbani Maramdi karigino ham tamda Tengnoupal ki village asida sagadoribasi lam jaga su chade adagi expansion tawpam su laite masida government na Tengnoupal village da district headquarter oigni habise masi munna khantha ninge adagi ising yamna tangba maphamni adagi population su yamna less oiba maphamni adudai hendokuna amuka suspension of operation haina KUKI gi su group singi kem manak laibni maduda district headquarters sabai bise disturbances myam laigini habisi thamninge adudagi hendokuna 2016 gi Manipur Gazette ta Tengnoupal district create tawba matamda district headquarters si Tengnoupal dal oigidobani habisi government gi notification da yaude adagi hendokuna andak sasi hariba program sida koi serial number 62 63 64 da panbada masigi infrastructure development si Tengnoupal village ta Sagadabani habisi pande masi Tengnoupal district itamak lakpani maduna Tengnoupal village ta expansion su laitaba population su low oiba adagi o communities na accessible oidaba mafamda sagani habisi masi koi DDC mai kai digi masi si yajaning de habigi point se thamjaninge number 2 da akoi gi district administrator akoi gi deputy commissioner se masina district headquarter infrastructure sanangai gi damakda 29 July 2025 the mass meeting call tawi adugi notice laire meeting call tawbada naga gi tribe mapan laibisi kanabusu invite tawbide KUKI khaktang tanaraga masida mokoina tanabisi akoi gi naga tribe makaisibu yauhan dabida moi KUKI khaktang ga tanaraga deputy commissioner na decision lawbisi masai ko yajaning de adagi home department na 8 September 2025 ta additional home department dagi thorakpa notification habide ko na propose tawriba kebung area da propose tawriba simani ignore tawraga yengsu yengsin bi dadana department na government da thabi dadana mana thamjin bire masina takpadi ko gi deputy commissioner si yamna partiality laiba yamna bias oina thabak tawba deputy commissioner amane aduna any development lakpa matamda any wata na matamda ko gi naga makhai se mana thamhauraga KUKI singa ngak wata naraga district si chalaiduna leire mase koi yamna wakhan sokna mase se koi nuai tabisi phongdok chaninge ahum suba point da inau nauna handak KUKI volunteers singna eastern zone KOUBA ma moigi team amana koi gi honorable chief minister Manipur na Tengnoupal district to visit tawgni abisida mokoi na changba yaroi ana threaten tawba Tengnoupal si KUKI leni haina thajindana Tengnoupal district si KUKI singini haiba gi romda tahan masi koi yaning de
in 2016 Manipur Gazette has already given that development area for the construction of some regional offices, GC bungalows and everything mentioned in the share number 62, 63 and 64, it doesn't mention that it should be constructed at the Tengnoupal village. Therefore, the DCC, has a strongly object any developmental work to be constructed in that small village which has no space or which has no future. And second point, I would like to just lay down this point is that on 29 July 2025, the present DC has called a meeting inviting only one particular tribe. But the Tengnoupal area consists of 9 tribes, namely Maring, Khoibu, Moyon, Monsang, Tarau, Aimol, Lamkang, and Tangkhul, Chote, and Anal. If we look into this point, only KUKI cannot be considered if there is any development to be taken up. They have to invite or the concerned administrative officer or a DC must invite all the stakeholders for any developmental work to be done in this area. Therefore, we strongly object the attitude, the nature of this DC, Deputy Commissioner. And again, on 8 September 2025, from the Home Department has instructed the concerned Deputy Commissioner to look into the matter and see the feasibility of the one particular area that is known as Khebung.